英検第2回試験までもう間もなく。対策講座のお申し込みはお早めに。
Hello and welcome to TOMAS YouTube channel. Today, we'll be taking a look at how animals make their voices heard. There are some words both in Japanese and English, but they are different. In Japanese, dogs bark like wan wan. Cat says nya nya. Roosters wakes us up in the morning saying kokegokko. So how are these voices described in English? Let's check that. Dogs bark like bow wow. Cats say meow. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo. Did you get them all? If you're interested in these differences, maybe you can Google it. You'll find that the voices are not so different but similar in some points. See you in the next video.